Meaning of dustman.
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 Dustman. The word dustman refers to a person who is employed to collect and dispose of household waste, typically in urban areas. These individuals are responsible for emptying bins or refuse containers and transporting the waste to a landfill or other disposal site. Dustmen play an important role in maintaining public health and sanitation, as their work helps to prevent the accumulation of garbage and debris in residential areas. Without dustmen, cities and towns would be overwhelmed by trash and litter, creating significant health and environmental hazards for residents and visitors alike.